ARMYs were shocked and emotional after Jungkook, BTS's McKnight, suddenly said a very touching sentence about Taehyung. This incident occurred during their final concert in Seoul, where the closeness between the BTS members was even more evident, given the long journey they had traveled together. At that moment, Jungkook, usually known for his cheerful disposition, showed a softer and more emotional side. In the middle of the song, he suddenly stopped and looked at Taehyung with emotion. The atmosphere immediately turned silent for a moment, and the fans began to sense something was different. In a slightly hoarse voice, Jungkook said, "Taehyung, you are the one who is always there for me. You always make me feel comfortable. Even though I can never express how much you mean to me. I am grateful to have walked with you until now. There are no more words to describe how much I appreciate you." This statement immediately sparked a response from ARMYs, many of whom couldn't hold back tears. Jungkook, usually known for his reserved nature, truly opened his heart and he made a very emotional confession to Taehyung. Fans began to wonder about the meaning of these words, considering the close and loving relationship between the BTS members. Was this a sign that Jungkook wanted to be more open with his fans about their relationship as friends and colleagues? Or was there something deeper he wanted to convey? With this moment, ARMY once again proved that they are not just fans. They are also part of BTS's incredible journey. Sometimes, the simplest words can have an incredibly profound impact. And it happened right before our eyes. After those emotional words, the atmosphere in the stadium completely changed. The ARMY in attendance couldn't hold back their tears. And even the BTS members seemed moved. Taeyang, who initially looked a little surprised, slowly smiled, his eyes also starting to well up. He took Jungkook's hand and he gave it a warm pat, as if to show how much he appreciated those words. Taehyung then took the microphone and he said in a soft voice, "I know you're always by my side. Cookie, thank you for everything. We've been through so much together, and I can't imagine life without all of you." The words further strengthened the clear bond between the two. And among all the members, Jungkook and Taehyung's relationship often seemed more intense, like true brothers. The ARMYs who heard this were even more moved. The moment was so sincere and genuine, making men feel like they were witnessing more than just a concert. They were witnessing a story of friendship filled with sacrifice, affection, and togetherness. However, this incident only heightened curiosity among fans, considering that BTS had just completed their world tour filled with spectacular performances. Men wondered if Jungkook's statement had anything to do with the changing dynamics within the group. Is this a sign that they're preparing for the next step in their careers, perhaps after a previously announced hiatus? Or was this simply a spontaneous moment that came from their hearts? Of course, ARMYs have much to speculate about, but one thing is certain, the relationship between the BTS members isn't just about professionalism in music, but also a deep one as a family. As they often say, BTS isn't just a band, but more than that, they're one big family who supports and loves each other. Jungkook's statement also reminded ARMYs of other emotional moments in BTS's history, such as when they spoke about their personal struggles, the hardships they faced in their careers, and how they supported each other. Every performance, every word, and every action seemed to be a reminder that even though the world changes, their friendship and solidarity remain eternal. But at the concert, after that emotional moment, the BTS members continued their performance. But something was different. Everyone seemed more open, more sincere, and more connected to one another. And most importantly, the ARMYs in attendance felt closer to BTS than ever. This moment truly stands out as one of the most memorable in BTS's history, given the importance of their bond with their fans. And as always, ARMY continues to support them with love. Not only BTS as a group, but also each member individually. Now, one thing is clear. Despite the constant changes in the outside world, the bond between Jungkook and Taehyung and with all the BTS members is unwavering. ARMY not only idolizes them, but they also experience every touching moment as part of an invaluable emotional journey. After the concert, ARMY social media was flooded with emotional posts. Fans who watched the concert in person and those who watched the live stream shared their experiences and the feelings about this unforgettable moment. Men said they felt like they were part of the BTS family, feeling the genuine love between the group members. One of the most liked comments on Twitter read, "Jungkook and Taehyung showed that friendship is more than just words. It's about sacrifice, unconditional support, and they always being so for each other. BTS truly taught us what true love is." Men agreed with this comment, expressing their feelings of pride and the emotion for the relationship BTS has built over the years. In the days following the concert, Jungkook and Taehyung also shared a reflective moment on Weverse, BTS's platform for interacting with fans. Jungkook wrote, "Sometimes we're too busy chasing our dreams, but we forget that being together is an unexpected dream. Thank you, Taehyung, you're the reason I can keep going." This sentence not only touched the hearts of fans but also illustrated the depth of Jungkook's feelings for his best friend. Taehyung was more or less emotional in his reply to the message. "Cookie, you always make me feel important." Messages like this further convinced ARMY that BTS isn't just about performing together on stage, but also about living a life filled with incredibly strong emotional bonds. Fans began to feel something deeper after that moment. It wasn't just about their music or spectacular performances, but about how BTS showed the world what true friendship means and how they support each other. Even in challenging times, men fans felt inspired to value their own relationships more deeply, whether with friends, family, or those closest to them. Shortly afterward, international media outlets began covering the event, with numerous articles highlighting the depth of BTS's friendship. Some even linked this moment to the themes of love and the solidarity that have characterized BTS's music for years. This further cemented BTS's status not just as musical idols, but as a symbol of a brotherly bond that transcends conventional boundaries. BTS has always managed to create magical moments that connect them with ARMY, and this was a perfect example of how their closeness extends beyond their physical presence on stage. They shared an emotional strength, and it was palpable in every action and the word they spoke. This moment reminds us that, while BTS is known for their incredible music and the accomplishments, what truly makes them special is their ability to remain true to themselves and to share their humanity with their fans. They are unafraid to show the world their vulnerability, their strength, and their love. ARMY continues to support BTS with greater fervor than ever. They realize that BTS is more than just a band, they are a family, and the ARMY is part of the journey. This moment is tangible proof that a relationship built on sincerity and the affection will always endure, even beyond their hits. Now, every time ARMY listens to BTS songs or watches concert video, they are reminded not only of those spectacular performances but also of emotional moments like these moments that make them feel closer to BTS than just fans. It's about a shared journey through thick and thin, and of course, a friendship that will last forever. In the weeks following the incident, ARMY began to realize that the touching moment at the concert was not only a memory for them, but also had a much greater impact, even beyond the world of K-pop. International media outlets that frequently cover BTS began to highlight how they not only influenced the music world but also taught important values of friendship, empathy, and sincerity. Numerous articles appeared with titles like BTS, more than just idols, they are a role model of true friendship. And Jungkook and Taehyung, an emotional moment that touched the world. Jungkook and Taehyung, as usual, remained humble despite the increasing media attention. They both did not consider the moment extraordinary or special. As for them, it was a common occurrence in their relationship as best friends. However, for ARMY, international fans from various countries also began sharing their stories about how the moment touched their hearts personally. Men felt inspired to value their relationships with friends and the family more, and some even began to be more open about their feelings with those closest to them. Some fans posted photos of themselves with their friends with captions that read, This is for all the friends who are always there. Thank you for being a part of my life journey. Men admitted that BTS, through this moment, taught them the value of genuine friendship. Furthermore, men also spoke about how BTS, with their attitudes and values, are able to foster a more positive mentality among the younger generation. They teach the importance of maintaining healthy relationships, supporting one another, and not being afraid to show our emotional sides. Furthermore, the ongoing interaction between BTS and the ARMY has also grown stronger. The BTS members often share small, behind-the-scenes moments that show how they support each other off stage. Main videos circulated showing Jungkook laughing at Taehyung's jokes, or the two of them encouraging each other during rehearsals.